What are the 4 things that are needed for a contract to be legally binding? A contract is an agreement between 2 or more people that is legally binding. It needs 4 things to be valid: an offer, acceptance, consideration of something of value exchanged, and intent to make it legally binding. Examples of contracts include job offers, purchase agreements, and leases. Knowing about these key elements can help people understand contracts and make informed decisions. Entering this fascinating world of contracts, let us understand the basics of contract law and the formation of contracts by demystifying the elements of a contract. Let us find out more in this exploration. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into contract law and explore the essential components of a contract. Contracts are the backbone of countless transactions in our daily lives, and understanding their elements is crucial for both personal and business dealings. Let's begin with the fundamental question: what is a contract? A contract is a legally binding agreement between 2 or more parties. It outlines the rights, obligations, and responsibilities of each party involved in the agreement. To form a valid contract, 4 key elements must be present. First, offer. An offer is a clear and definite proposal made by one party to another, expressing their willingness to agree to specific terms. Second, acceptance. Acceptance occurs when the other party agrees to the terms of the offer. This agreement can be expressed verbally, in writing, or even through actions that indicate consent. Third, consideration. Consideration is something of value exchanged between the parties. It can be money, goods, services, or even a promise to do something in the future. In essence, both parties must receive something in return for their obligations under the contract. The 4th and final element is the intent to create legal relations. Both parties must have a genuine intention to be legally bound by the contract. This means that they understand the legal consequences of their agreement. Imagine you're starting a new job. You receive a written offer letter detailing your job position, salary, and benefits offer. You sign and return it, expressing your agreement acceptance. In return, you'll provide your services, and the company will compensate you consideration. Both you and your employer intend for this contract to be legally binding intent to create legal relations. Now, let's say you're buying a car. You see a vehicle with a price tag offer. You decide to purchase it and communicate your decision to the seller acceptance. You pay the agreed upon price consideration, and both you and the seller intend for this transaction to be legally binding intent to create legal relations. In conclusion, understanding the elements of a contract is essential in contract law. To recap, a contract requires an offer, acceptance, consideration, and an intent to create legal relations. Whether you're entering a business agreement, signing a lease, or making everyday purchases, recognizing these elements will help you navigate the world of contracts with confidence and clarity. Thank you for joining us today in exploring the key components of contracts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on legal topics. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and empowered by the law.